Hey guys, this is Justin here. He just bought a Mountain Dew machine for only $300 and it even came full of pop. He invited me along to see how much money does this vending machine make for only a $300 purchase price. Here's the bill acceptor. It's full of ones. That's me. I'm not shooting the video, but that's a lot of money. Holy crap. So we're going to take it back to our office and see how much money it made. Here goes. Yeah, 147 bucks. Fire department. Yeah. Volunteer fire. $81.25 in quarters and $147 in bills. Not too bad.